Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making sardine pasta salad. Yes, you heard that right, and I promise you it's going to blow you away when you try this recipe. And today to make this I'm using the new Brunswick sardine fillet. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to make and how delicious and light and refreshing it's going to be. So here I have the line of Brunswick sardine fillets, and I'm actually going to be using just a regular one with salt. You can use any flavor for this you like, but as I'm adding flavors to this, I really wanted to use the plain. So I'm adding the juice of one orange to my bowl. In goes salt, half a teaspoon of lemon pepper, and half of a teaspoon of orange pepper. If you can't find orange pepper, just use extra lemon pepper. In goes some dried parsley flakes, or you can use fresh. Give that a mix, and then we're going to drizzle in our avocado oil. Just about a tablespoon. We're not really making a really rich vinaigrette, but it's a light vinaigrette. So just give that a mix. Once it has been mixed in, now it's time to get our sardines ready. So these sardines come cleaned and ready to use right out of the tin. This is the spring water with salt added. They also have one where no salt is added. So I'm going to open it and you'll see the fillets are already cleaned for you. So I'm just going to drain all that extra liquid in there, and then I'll add it to that vinaigrette that we made. Everything has been cleaned and packaged, so it's easy to use right out of the can. I'm just going to break this up into chunks because you want to get pieces of fish when you're eating. And if you want to warm your sardine before adding it to the vinaigrette, of course you can do that. In goes cooked pasta that has been cooked al dente. We're going to go in with some capers, pimento peppers chopped, scallions or scythe as we say in Trinidad, chopped tomatoes, a small onion sliced, and chopped olives. Now I'm going to squeeze on half of a lime, just the juice of half of a lime, and I'll add on some complete seasoning. You could also use an all-purpose seasoning if you like, or a fish seasoning, and we're just going to toss. You want to taste and adjust your salt, and you're going to have the most amazing, refreshing and delicious pasta salad ever. Just plate and enjoy, and you can make this the night before and serve it cold. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Do remember to pick up your sardine fillets at your local supermarkets in Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you all so much. Check out the entire complete Brunswick line. Thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.